Murano, Nissan Murano, 2014. Something unusual with this one, we have a power steering pump. It's usually the transmission that shits the bed on these things, but in this case, it's the power steering pump. There's the new one just going in. So there's a bracket. And the bracket is here, and there's one right there. So you take the bolts out of the bracket, then on this side, the bolts holding the bracket up there need to be loosened so that the bracket can move and you can get that power steering pump out of there. Of course, the hoses and everything go on there. This bracket holds this hose in place at the proper angle. You don't have to take the tensioner off. We've loosened it just so that we can maneuver that pump a bit to get that pump sliding out of there. But that's the job on the Nissan Murano trying to do a power steering pump. You can see there's bracket holes there. The bracket goes through these holes, bolts through these holes, through the bracket into the pump there to hold the pump onto the bracket. So there's a bunch of little bolts in there that you got to take off. Not a horrible job, but it helps when you know that you have to take that bracket, at least loosen that bracket off. You take out that one bolt for the bracket and that one up there, loosen it so that bracket can move and slide that power steering pump out of there.